Mapagpalang araw sa lahat at ngayon guys may bagong vlog na naman tayo dito. Part 2 ng pang natin ng guys napakaanghang na noodles ito guys. Binigay sa amin galing ng kuya guys. Kaya titikman na natin. Bago natin yung mukbang yan, may mag-love shout out naman dyan sa bahay kubo, lalo sa admin at sa lahat ng mga subscriber yan, may mag-love shout out. Dito lang tayo sa room mag-mukbang guys. Yan, nagpapainit pa tayo ng tubig kasi ano natin sa abangan nyo naman mamaya. Kaya natin dito lang tayo guys. Para hindi diakin na natin yung guys.
Look up at the sky, wish for the stars.
Siguradong guys.
I just want
lagyan natin lahat
to
para
see it.
matry natin kung ano kasama.
The wind will sing to melodies. Hold my hand beyond the dream. Yes, that's right. That's love. I'll always believe you.
Galing Korea guys.
Our miracle. When the rain stops, there's a rainbow with you.
Ayan na siya.
Let's draw the future.
Pwede natin ng mainit na tubig. Siyempre may ano tayo dyan,
My
lagay pa
heart
tayo.
shouts, just you,
Ayan.
just you,
Mukbang na naman tayo.
you. Yes, that's
Lagyan
right.
natin ng mainit na tubig to.
That's love. I'll always believe you. Our miracle. When the rain stops, there's a
Pula-pula yung ano
rainbow
guys, yung sabaw niya.
with you. Let's draw the future.
Pawisan tayo nito manya.
I'll never leave. My heart shouts, just you, just you.
Antayin natin na ano yan, mga
Yes, that's right.
minute siguro luto na yan.
That's
Sana
love.
nyo guys magmukbang ko dito.
I'll always believe you. Our miracle. Look up at the sky. Wish for the stars. Your smile. I just want to see it. The wind will sing to melodies. Hold my hand beyond the dream. Yes, that's right. That's love. I'll always believe you. Our
Guys, kakain na tayo mga guys.
miracle.
Yan ito. Hawakan na lang natin kasi wala tayong misa dito.
When stops.
Samahan nyo ako sa pagkain guys.
There's a rainbow with you.
Samahan natin.
Let's draw the future. I'll never leave. My heart shouts, just you,
Samahan natin yung ano niya guys.
just you,
Anong lasa niya?
you.
Magbilang tayo. Isa.
Yes,
Dalawa.
that's right. That's love. I'll always believe you
Okay guys, masarap siya.
are
Sarap nga.
miracle.
Grabe yan.
When the
Ang
rain
hangplan to.
stops, there's a
Guys,
rainbow
pulang pula kasi.
with you. Let's
Super
draw the
spicy.
future. I'll
Masarap
never
yung
leave.
spicy.
My
Gusto ko
heart
yung
shouts, just you,
tara, kain na tayo.
just you.
Parang pagpawisan ako dito. Kasi tapos mga mahilig sa noodles dyan.
Yes,
Time
that's
Korea.
right. That's love. I'll always believe you
Hawakan na natin yung wala
are
tayong isa
miracle.
dito sa loob ng sarap ng noodles nila guys. Hindi malanta. Parang kaparehas lang ng noodles ng Japan. Ito. Tara, kain tayo. Mabili natin yung pagkain ng Koreano kasi naka-chopstick din yan sila. Kagaya ng mga Japanese. Pulang-pula na yung labi ko. Pa. Gusto nga sabaw. Ang tingnan ko lang maupos itong sabaw mamaya na pang ang mga idol. Pero ano natin na maupos natin ito kasi para hindi tayo mapahiya sa hindi natin naupos yung dry natin ito. Sarap. Kaso grabe ang ano. Maraming tubig tayo mga idol niya. Sarap. Grabe. Suwabe yung lasa pero suwabe din yung anghang guys.
Lights go down and the night is calling to me. Yeah, I hear voices singing songs in the street, and I know that we won't be going home for so long, but I know that I won't be on my own. Yeah, I love this feeling right now. I wish you were here with me. Because right now everything is new to me. You know I can't fight the feeling, and every night I feel it right now. I wish you were here with me. night spaces with all our friends, you and me.
Hindi na rin nilaglaho sa
These
itlog. Hindi ako masyado
faces,
na
just like how it used to be, and we won't be going home for so long, but I know I won't be on my own, on my own. I'm feeling like right now, I wish you were here with me. It's right now, everything is new to me. You know I can't fight the feeling, in every night I feel it right now. I wish you were here with me. Yeah, I love this feeling.
Ang tayo ng tubig. Galing sa rep to kaya malamig. Pang tanggal ng anghang. Kasi kailangan natin ubusin yan, no?